Hello guys, this is how to log in. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. Welcome to our video tutorial on how to visit the Cengage Privacy Office. At Cengage, your privacy and security is taken seriously, and they understand how important it is to protect your personal information. The Cengage Privacy Office is your go-to resource for any questions or concerns you may have about data privacy and security. In this video, we'll show you how to access the Cengage Privacy Office and where to find information on our policies and procedures. Let's get started. So, first of all, go to your web browser and type sam.cengage.com in the search bar and hit enter. Now you will see this page where it asks you to enter your username and password. But if you see below, you will see Cengage Privacy Office button. Click on it. It will take you to the new tab. And this is Cengage Privacy Office. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.